What's up, guys? I just got home from everything. My mic died, so this is just a disclaimer. The whole trip, ride, whatever, is just raw audio, so very sorry. I thought I charged my mic last night, but I didn't. I swear after today I will be good at charging my stuff. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will let y'all watch it now. Bye-bye. What is up, everyone, and good morning. It is 9 a.m., almost 10. Today we are going to car culture in La Centera, and I'm going to be meeting Mr. Ramo Revs there. Yeah, I kind of need to speed up a bit because I am running late. I'm running very late. I need to speed a little bit, guys. It's all AI, don't worry. It's kind of cold too. It's okay. It's gonna get way hot later. Way hot later. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We're about to pull up to the meet right now. Alright. I don't know where he is, but my fingers are hurting so bad. This is Mr. Wemmo Webb's bike right here. It's dirty. I need to get some of these thingies because I'm missing one on this side. But I think I'm missing like a little metal thingy in here. I don't know. Because before I crashed, I had one, but now it's like gone, so I don't know where it is. I have this side, but this one's completely gone. So I don't know. Tell me in the comments down below. What do I need to put in here? What am I missing? Or where can I get it? I don't know exactly. But yeah, I need to get some of these bar ends like his, because those are pretty nice. Seem more protective than the ones that I have over there. He just left his gloves here. I'm gonna steal them. Pretend that somebody stole them. I'd steal these. I'm gonna tell him I steal his gloves. This is on the legs, everybody. Oh. Ah!
What?
Ow.
I brought you a gift.
My girlfriend! Look!
I know, it's so nice with that.
I know, it looks ugly. Hi.
Big old bobblehead.
There's so many bikes coming up here.
I know.
Yeah. Jules, am I wrong? He's like, I'm fasting, I can't eat. I'm like, get a salad, blend that shit, you're technically not eating.
Stupid.
What? Can you drink stuff?
I can't do anything.
Oh, you can't do anything. Okay.
I'm telling you, he's like, I'm fasting. I'm like,
Well, that sucks because I'm hungry. I was gonna take your gloves.
Water too.
Stupid. Go ahead.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get the camera here until we figure out what's going on. Literally, this man just
I just hung up the fucking...
I almost died. Almost got hit.
Hold it down on top of the car and I'll let you run. house.
I look behind me.
We missed the exit.
I didn't see you come up behind me.
No, you're good. I didn't hit you, did I? I swear, hard as fuck.
Get in your way or nothing.
I almost smacked him.
Really?
Alright, let me go try on the sunroof. Have you tried it yet?
My mic died.
Huh?
My mic died.
Your mic died? Do you want to use mine? Can it fit?
I don't know.
Mine could fit.
Maybe.
Here, you want to come inside or what?
Yeah.
I'll push you. Come on, crank that one. Okay, now straighten it out. Straighten it. Now come right here. This is all August. Y'all moved out, bro. August. What's new?
So
What's
hot.
Huh?
It's so hot.
I know.
No way! Nothing's changed!
Yeah. I'm wearing this underneath, but it's covered in fuzz.
JP moved
I
in?
know, I'm wearing a new jacket. It was
I
like
figured.
fucking covered in fucking fuzz.
You don't have a lint roller?
Huh?
A lint roller?
Like, dude.
Do I have a lint roller?
Yeah.
Actually, hold on.
No, we did.
Oh, it's right here.
We lit a 10 already.
You know, it's a cool cop in uniform that wrote it in?
Oh, really?
Yeah. He let himself in.
Give a life, not take a life.
It's a very big truth. It's a big truth.